Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey into the heart of the AI revolution. A technological marvel that's transforming our world. In this 15-minute video, we'll delve into the history, present, and potential future of artificial intelligence, and how it's reshaping humanity as we know it. So, let's dive right in. The dawn of artificial intelligence. The seeds of AI were sown in the 1950s when pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy dared to imagine a world where machines could think like humans. The quest for AI began with their groundbreaking work, leading us to the first ever AI program. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. We faced several AI winters that challenged progress. The ascent of machine learning. Fast forward to the 21st century, and AI experienced a renaissance through machine learning. Algorithms like neural networks enabled computers to learn from vast amounts of data, surpassing human capabilities in various domains. Tasks that seemed insurmountable became achievable, from speech recognition to autonomous vehicles. AI in our daily lives. AI isn't just confined to laboratories, it's now a part of our everyday lives. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa have become household companions, simplifying tasks and keeping us connected. AI-driven recommendation systems offer personalized experiences on streaming platforms and social media, shaping our choices and preferences. AI transforming industries. Industries around the globe are experiencing a seismic shift thanks to AI. From healthcare to finance, agriculture to manufacturing, AI-powered solutions are revolutionizing processes, driving efficiency, and uncovering new possibilities. Data-driven insights are empowering businesses like never before. Ethical considerations of AI. As AI's influence expands, so do ethical concerns. Bias in algorithms, data privacy, and job displacement are complex issues we must address responsibly. Striking a balance between innovation and safeguarding human values is crucial for a sustainable AI future. AI and the future of humanity. The future of AI is breathtaking. Imagine a world where AI aids in medical breakthroughs, tackles climate change, and fosters sustainable development. It's not just science fiction, it's the potential reality of human-AI collaboration. AI will augment human intelligence, elevating our collective progress. Embracing the AI revolution. Embracing the AI revolution means empowering ourselves with knowledge. As individuals, we can learn AI skills to thrive in the job market of the future. Governments and organizations must invest in AI education and research to ensure that the benefits of AI are accessible to all. Our journey through the AI revolution comes to a close, but its impact will continue to unfold for generations to come. As we harness the potential of AI, let's remain vigilant about the ethical implications and ensure that it enriches humanity, fostering a world of limitless possibilities. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with others who are intrigued by the wonders of AI. Please share your ideas in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, let's venture forth into the ever-evolving landscape of AI. Goodbye.